Why settle for old technology? Electromechanical actuators outperform hydraulic and pneumatic systems in precision, energy efficiency, and overall lifespan. Whether your application demands heavy lifting or precise pulling, these actuators are built to perform. Easily managing compressive and tensile loads up to 200 kilonewtons per unit, they provide the rugged, dependable force behind massive industrial, heavy-duty applications. True reliability isn't tested in a lab, it's proven in the field. Whether exposed to severe weather or intense structural loads, these systems deliver continuous, maintenance-free operation. When accuracy dictates your quality, trust ZIMM. Get high performance, superior precision, and perfect positioning control exactly where your automated process needs it most. Smart automation means saving energy. Get excellent efficiency in intermittent operations without sacrificing speed or precision. Design your ideal system. Build a fully custom solution with ZIMM's modular design. Request your quote today at DieQua.com.